Bwf Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients.
Just say more de ne more she na just say education no ehia sa knowledge ni ehia nkasa na yetumi etutu ya namo na yetu ne ntem na yetu ne yie enti mesremo na monchiche embia na owo nimdie bi na say nimdie yes na say ye can say talent Dr. Ren talent your friend is saying adoma chede yo adoma chede bi chese utumi ye bibi mefa ne say globally you've got a global talent baby owo bia kwan ben na obetumi use such talent edi even po enenya visa edi abakro mu ha embia we skilled a migrant worker skill not just say skills nimdie bi wo bibi hu potia we special wo hu kwan ben na obefa so na sa skills no obetumi edi etu anamu edi aba UK say we yi new say we krofoforo so new say onye yi new sa nyoma na afenso embia wa besua de okromu ha de bia uji visa sisi a posted visa no ewu ana say enwu ye kwan ben na obetumi enya after school no visa ben na obetumi enya nim say tama ye ko university no wo ye just say who the visa na ko university na you are not allowed to work certain hours be cry ni say wo di ye adwuma ko ye adwuma na ehuna ko renew visa na aye nsem bebre enne ye ba be kire kwan a obefa so a even we university student kra na postgraduate na post study a kwan a obefa so a ubetumi edi enya visa na udi esuade na sorry udi aye adwuma ebeboa na chese uko school ni bia ka ho kra na chese utumi nso ye adwuma enye sika kakra gu kotoko mu ana se yemfa ne se yenuanom health and social care for ana se health and care visa na chese yenim se nurses wom healthcare workers wom ne ade sa omo special way no kwan be no mo so metumi enya visas into make health workers and just say ye nurses wom ye midwives wom ye physiotherapists wom ye doctors wom just a healthcare professional bia no kwan ben and I say benefit and advantages ben wo ho a mbetumi de nya visa e de abaye adwuma wo krom ha ne nyina enne se wo nka ho a na che say menim se ne ameka na nti bomode na twe ben ye na adwumedie yemfa ens feso na bomode so na share. Please, I want the number to go out. All those on Facebook, a very good morning to you all. I love you, Auntie Miss Ramon. Just do me this small favor by sharing. Click the sharing button. Share to all your contacts. You can even take the link. You can take the link and then copy the link and distribute it on your WhatsApp numbers or WhatsApp contacts. That would be very, very great for us. Intimate Remo, keep on sharing, keep on distributing it, keep on telling people about this legal education. Okay, I think it's okay now. Very good morning to your papa, Uncle Ben. Good morning, Uncle Ben. Uncle Ben, Pachotemenka, good morning. Hey, anope fidie unnim na honim be rofa me kan we gu baby pa enti misrew bomode
Manyachi mentonka
Dr. Mpacho Boame Wahana me betina se me mfa me nsan kan hwe ye kan sen Uncle Ben ntimenka pamocho ene meni abre nti no I really have to get the system right. Na education we me person
Highly spiritual.
Times have changed. Social distancing affected BBR. Coronavirus and in somewhat bow, but the laws are in place. Immigration issues and core BBR. New laws and changes every day. Somebody immigration and in Roman Samahudu Bwf Solicitors and your preferred community lawyers. Bwf Solicitors.
Good morning, Uncle Ben. Uncle Ben, Pacho Temenka. Good morning, Uncle Ben. Pacho Temenka Sisia. What is happening?
Good morning, Uncle Ben. Uncle Ben, Pacho Temenka.
Well, mentonka was Skype him.
Yo,
Baby mentonka was Skype him, sorry.
Okay, Dr. Ren checky YS na mami. So me bo advert kakra.
Is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. Bwf Solicitors, your preferred community lawyers. Bwf Solicitors is a leading and an award-winning solicitor situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more.
Yo, intino near me can say CCA BWF Solicitors every Saturday biano or mad omuye jume bia ye friend no say the community and the law, and I said the law and the community every Saturday, the community and the law ebaso 2 o'clock in the afternoon to 4 o'clock. Sorry, 4 to 6. Mpamocho, me time 4 to 6. Every Saturday, 4 to 6. Ewo BWF Solicitors for Asoye na ubenyo mo BWF Solicitors omo official Facebook, any official YouTube channel no ubenyo mo ho na telephone number senso wo ho a program na ekoso a na to me afre na we bisa wo question and I say we be type enso e de amom na oma answer nti mo nhye saade we enso every Saturday 4 to 6 p.m. Every Saturday 4 to 6 p.m. BWF Solicitors, the community and the law. The community and the law. Ewo honum. Yo, yen hwɛ sɛ sisi a yen saka yen papa. Good morning, Uncle Ben. Pacha sisi a wote menka.
Metenka pa perfect, Manyeti.
Thank you. Not why yes, Crawford, your monaya kika. So, yes. Yo, into where the yam rene cop, mesra nam, obechia, it's for na fede, na ye legal education, na udi asoso amayen straight away. Into Uncle Ben Pacho, Wadaroma.
Okay, good morning, Manyeti. Michia Dr. Renzo. I'm Sir Michia Atifu, anyone I watch on Facebook. Ayadamu nyinaa ase yɛda nyame nso ase sɛ wama departure ayɛtumi aba radio yi so ɛno no I'm sɛ Manyeti, yɛn nyinaa yɛnim adeɛ bɛsi 31st of December sɛbio yɛn nuanom EU4 no yɛ free movement rights no between the United Kingdom and European Union no ɛbɛsiisi meka sɛ bɛsiisi a kyerɛ sɛ wontumi abɛk akɔ fresh rights no agye sɛ ɔmo wɔ ha dada by then na normally no ayɛ adeɛ ɛka ne sɛ ɛkwan bɛn na ɛwɔ hɔ ɛma obiara both EU non-EU Ghanaians and other people na deɛ ayɛ a yɛn Bwf yɛpɛ sɛ yɛka ɛkyerɛ nkurɔfoɔ no sɛ sɛbio sɛ ɛkwan wɔ hɔ a wobɛtumi ayi so a ɛwɔ sɛ yɛ discuss ne nyinaa nti ɛno no mɛtry sɛ mɛkyerɛkyerɛ ɛkwan a ɛwɔ hɔ a ebi yɛ very good, very extremely good a ebi nso sɛ munim dada a yɛka health and social yɛka health and care workers route na ɛno munim nti ɛno nso mɛkyerɛkyerɛ mu sɛ confusion kakra wɔ hɔ. And the brilliant idea eba and so the tetanonia friend of post-study work as I see almost friend of graduate route say from next year no obia from summer next year obia obeba university wa ha obewie to wie university no by summer of next year obetimi apply for BB friend of graduate route no. And also may explain it. And I've been a friend of global talent. Now, global talent, I have for science, for culture, and a biome for research, and academic research, or science, or medicine, or engineering, and or humanities. You can humanities, you can be sociology, history, and it's an and at the same global talent, and then so you will be a friend of digital technology, and then so me a boy, aim towards acrophobia. Omoye leaders, was our field, no. For example, you can culture, why no ye leader or you can science, why no ye leader of Ghana, why not scientists, what corner name. The whole idea is that UK almost visa regime nim sana baya omema nkrofo a sabi omo nim de ewosika ewo experience and qualification ebetimi aba UK abaya adwuma na abde aboa omo economy no ti the long and short ni nyina na se omo pe nkrofo a ebetimi abeboa omo economy no na obi beba ka se na ebi ne sen. First of all, see, I can say global talent. My explaining that. And to be our court name, our science, our culture, our literature, our research, our music, and it's mano. I don't know about UK government, our organizations, on their approval. Omunya approval yepe wunya so bia abe cover set or no ye license sponsor I need to know all my visa now there but there be so UK aban no ne organizations a washe ato e be universities e be a Royal Society e be a Royal History Society sa groups ni nyina agi utuma na chese wo betimi aba na ba konso a me pese me bosso your friend was skilled migrant route, Both Niama make Kenya a skilled migrant route, but could be specifically your friend was skilled migrant route, I know a cover area be a winning for shoemaker, for carpenter, for seamstress, for hairdresser, for chef, for baker, for welder, for plumber, for builder, for supervisor, for manager, for HR, for teaching, for nursing, for midwifery. Sa area be a wobɛdwen ho bia adwuma bi a wotumi yɛ wɔ ewiase nyinaa. What I just think of any adwuma I covered. And for me, you know, I know an exciting new area. Eba boa yenuanom your black community, Ghana for Nigerians, Jamaicans, obia a cover both EU4 and a non-EU. And a whole share no I'm spending a bit of time. I say, sa area. First of all, no, I will see a sponsor on our bar. Sponsor on a obi amount job offer a nipano or your licensed sponsor. Licensed sponsor and say wakoji to me your home office. I'm a home office, I'm a licenser. To say any pano kasa was any pay may foul. Obi any will beat me a kase on my own foul. I was only 70 points. 70 no, emu 50. I have one, sir. License sponsor no say a license sponsor one more job offer and near 20 adwuma na wo ba ba ye no nso aye 20 ana English language nso eno nso ma points na we income no almost minimum threshold ayenka 25,600 but almost another minimum threshold and near 20,500 enti adwuma na ye ma no the minimum cry was say unya no I 2,600. Now, say 2,600, no. Your friend be your friend tradable points. And TM fan say your friend be to say mechanical engineer. Mechanical engineer. Your qualification now. Your qualification now. Omo kano your friend bibi wawa your friend RQF regulated qualification framework. I level 3. Level 3 is a level. And you will say, and yet very, very difficult. Say about nyasa. And say, well, qualification equivalent to A level. It may be a higher HND, higher national diploma. It may be vocational training, but I will say equivalent to RQF. Regulated qualification framework. UK qualifications 2015 year almost setting up just to make sure say your qualification on the better to levels. And it's we a hairdresser now our qualification equivalent to A level. It may be an HND, maybe a vocational training. Say equivalent to A level. Na will pay na ya de ma because areas in obia will pay. Areas in will pay. So pay between 20,500 and I say 25,600. Naturally say what qualify or minimum requirement no. Or qualification so am I qualify. So what's now we a hairdressing manager, we a chef, we a shoemaker. Or qualification equivalent to A-level shoemaking no qualification. Menkasa wako school acquire history A-level and we a shoemaker. Or qualification I was say relevant to a jumana obey no. And it's a shoemaker. Wako shoemaking ama qualification no equivalent to RQF3. Pay no so amount points. Say we pay no amount points until we need 70 points no. Because ABR almost threshold no. Then for mechanical engineering 63,000 a year. Now we pay you 33,000 now. We need 20 points no. But young fans say well occupation no shortage occupation now. Because a shortage occupation no. A cascade at the call, sir, 20 points, no, I'm a mouse 70. And sir, areas now, yes, no. First of all, I was so B1 English, I was so when you license sponsor obefa I will say adwuma no ɛyɛ within say adwuma na ya set no cover adwuma bia even seamstress wom, tailor wom, bricklayer wom, mason wom, carpenter wom, shoemaker wom, driver wom, area bia wobadwen ɛwɔ wiase mu adwuma bia wobadwen bia no ebi wom, but I will say many sa minimum requirement ebiom meka post study work munyina munim post study work so we be qualify graduate your mouth 2 years free from summer next year we betimi ayesa adwuma no from summer next year no unya bachelor's degree and a master's degree your mouth 2 years unya phd your mouth 3 years now time yes I will post study work utimi shift course skilled migrant area ya meka ye no and also utimi shift to health and care route no so health and care route no cover obia oya nurse pharmacist podologist pediatrician midwife social worker and cover social care into we a carer care assistant when you're covered na omo cover omo no obi a oya adwuma ma NHS anase oya adwuma ma bibia ye friend no health and social care regulator anase wonya adwuma ma NHS ankasa but omo oya adwuma ma omo no omo ne NHS e wo contracting to omo provide care services to the NHS also obetimi aba sa eho no enti sa area si nyina no wodi ni nyina boma ene ne friend no skilled migrant program no ebiom ade a ye pese ye ka no aye bibia ye friend no innovator ana start up sa innovator no aye obi a owoni die kase bi ewo area bi a oye adwuma wo aye business ana bibia e create employment startup no aye obi a afei na obe start adwuma unique brand new area bi a obe start our particular knowledge bi a eno no university ana be approve and answer any of the organizations na ya approve almost say omo approve no ade a wo hia £50,000 enti wonya sa 50,000 na obetimi de aba with the innovator no because we experience no also no be approve sa but we hear experience and high knowledge but startup no they own here experience ade here na say abia in IT technology no or a very unique idea bibi to say app creator and app developer and I say o create bibi it may be music it may be culture say ye bibi etimi boa kro yo nkwa de eno nso wo betimi de aba ho ba niema maka nyina no area ebe boa ye mpa ene de beka skilled sponsored migrant no unyia bibi e friend resident labor test aye test bi a na nka no no ha ye nuanom bebre a omuntimi mfamba sesi a ne ye nyina ye hu say we a shoemaker we a builder we a driver we a welder we a teacher any teacher at all so qualification relevant qualification ma we say adwuma no say equivalent to RQF3 A level Ghana ubetimi abaha timanye eno na mepese obia ehu nene na going forward no there has a questions beba wo ho
Yo, Uncle Ben, I am the pa. Yo, it's here for we be masempa ana masum. Sa ade Uncle Ben acheche mu nyina. Ade ebe boa ye ankasa se why wa dream pa se wo pese oba UK na obeye adwuma ana wo fa sa kwan we no bi so a na che se ekwan da ho eno ase o se wo bisa ana wo pe lawyers to say Bwf Solicitors no money won tenasi enchrechi mu no monchro the process ni nyina na fem na oye nso a obenya na wotumi aba yo it's here for kwan eda ho say baby sa question but Uncle Ben before I benya any first caller na say first caller beba no
yeah
can you can say RQF that's the regulated qualification framework no Senya waka no na to so but yemfa ne say sisia no afa ne yete enti no obi wo sa skills nyina bi say the process no egu online to say bia ukoye application na yebeka say fill your application form online ukoye visa application yebeka say go to online na fill application na omo ayembia me access online application for some time now until no ayembia sa nyomanyo nyina wo chechemu egu ho a say o ye skilled worker na o pese wo ba na o apply visa na Mr. Egugu Hosa for you to go through. And I said there is a way you have to send your qualification. And I said, oh, no mana okitano to a place to send your access who say it falls within sa framework and sana o de akahu and I have more certificates be na o de akahu na o de acquire application and na mpacho ho no obetumi acheche yen process wo obetemu acheche emu kakra mpacho.
Okay, and first of all, we started January. And he said EU free movement, So we EU near one mahadada. Now baha after January. After December, from January next year. We me use the way.
Okay.
And for example, we are fish, we are cafe owner. And we are fish and chip shopkeeper.
Okay.
The top pay near 25,600. Okay. The recommended pay for fish and chips owner and our manager, fish and chips, fish and chips. And I 21,000. And so we pay no I 21,000, which is the recommended salary for fish and chips owner. And to know Nipana employees have heard the fish and chip shops of Bano. But we be here. One, relevant qualification. So over fish and chip shops, okay. And our restaurant manager, and our takeaway shop manager.
Okay.
Relevant qualification, no, I will say a year equivalent to RQF3, which is Ghana A-level, and our HND. HND, no, say HND and our vocational course. So Ghana Moko catering.
Yes.
And catering, no, minimum qualification a year equivalent to RQF3. And our A-level, but your qualification be equivalent to the regulated qualification framework level 3, and our A-level, and our HND. And from January, no application will be available. 2, shall fish and chip shop no are all found. I will say one register with Home Office as licensed sponsor, as a licensed sponsor. I know more 20 points. Ebiom, I was say we pay now wage a year either the minimum, which is 21,000, and I say the minimum now unya 21,000. No, so no unya because do skilled migrant minimum of 25,600. No, but a bro minimum level still no. You remember when you used to be a friend with tradable qualification and our points. First of all, fish and chips, and your shortage occupation, and you won't mean you so no. 2, fish and chips, so over now over PhD. Now PhD no relevant to area over some management over manage so shop now. It may be say PhD and relevant. And to say we need PhD again, we need tradable points. But because say income no, you can say we income is 28,000. Because of 28,000 no, bro, the minimum income of 25,600 no, amount 20 points. And when you're 20, 10, 20, 20, 70 points. Remember another example. We are a hotel manager. Why a Juma Golden Tulip? Or why a hotel management? AB Krawako university level, hotel management, or degree, and now a PhD, and now a master's in hotel management. Are possible? Yes. Hotel waha afao, ABR, Manyati hostel, and our hotel, 20-bed hotel, or more sponsorship license, wafao every Ghana, also will pay 30,000 a year. 30,000 a year more than 25,600, which is the level points not started. Into Manyati host a hotel because I am Manyati sponsored license sponsor no 20 points. Why English B1 and I'm also 20 points. One income level no I'm at 20 and at the other 10 also when ya. Udi Boma, Obi a hotel manager, Ewa Ghana, no, so woman yet you hotel, now I register with Home Office, when your license, Obe to me the number. Abe Juma. And tomorrow say, and yet to say first now, yes, say a doctor, lawyer. Say, see, me as a law firm, say me pe legal secretary. Nani pay no, a mede man no, a between almost recommended rate, I think is about 22,500 up to. Young fan said 25,600. So because imagine I'm on 26,600 because a year up to the top level. No? So our qualification are a year relevant to the legal secretarial work. A year equivalent to RQF3 and A level. Meet me afan Africana. The entire may stress on this very unique area and I say I open new avenue. I'm a driver say what Ghana. I'm a shoemaker say what Ghana. I'm a carpenter say what Ghana. I'm a builder say what Ghana. I'm a hotel manager say what Ghana. I'm a HR manager say what Ghana. Yeah, what time and come to me the offer. Enti bibi to say bar owner. In Rus, you know, I'm a friend of publicans, manager, and licensed premises. In Tigana, I manage Bubra Sport. Now, Bubra Sport, you know, who experience wom, what school, meaning Sagana, ya ko Bubra who school dear. But I dear also would dream when I say, I dear not may barbe, no. Say, a Diane crown, I may barbe noir. Me was I Diane noir no experience, any qualification. A year relevant to a Jumano. And why A-level history, but and then one Benkuni tilapia. And Bongo Bar Epesebe for free Ghana. Because a history now we are and relevant to Benkuni tilapia no. When you're qualified. But what catering school? What could see a Jumebi? Amount qualification as a caterer, a chef. Now, who bet me any Juma waha, a Juma bet me before Ghana. I did hear and say, Omo, ebe meet is 3 requirements na me mind. Now, be your English test. Another example, the person made them out, leisure and amusement park. Ghana, you tell me leisure and amusement park. But Obisha leisure and amusement park, amusement arcade. Now, as an owner, a leisure center manager, and our social club, ni pay no almost recommended pay 24,200 as a manager, and I say £11.93 an hour for 38-hour week. Now, the pay now what the manager 25,600. That alone gives him 20 points on income. On our English, you know, or your sponsored worker all bar when you're 70 points. 80 obit me abaye juma. Just mention any business. What Manyati Bowtrim can any business in Ghana are you covered underway. Now I raise this because say be new opportunities from January. No, when percent crofobeka say, hey, na yanya where nki manki prepare. Or 3 months from well, or more than 3 months because you can come anytime from January. So what per qualification are relevant to chef Ejuma, Kogana, Ghana no suya naye. We are seamstress, and I say suit maker, and I dressmaker, the name dressmaker, list of occupation. No. Every conceivable occupation I want under the sun, and one is a school now work on, relevant to qualification. So we pay no recommended pay now, ubit me aba.
Hey, Adiana, they say from January. Nti yenuanum na ye wo Ghana sisia no. O sua adwuma bia, any school work bia, o sua bia no. But modia na fa school ne ka ho. Na ye more qualification. Say qualification no fall within the RQF3 no kwa dia. We dia what we di. Yo, yenya first caller. Kafra we gina so ache. Una ma end with 7580. Wo free na ye fra osen.
Morning.
Hello, Pacha. Oh, Ahomaso. Number ni endi 7580. O frame me anope. Una me no kasana.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Pacha otemenka.
Pacha hametonka.
My voice in Kosruka krama me. Why? Uncle Ben.
Okay. Good morning. Pacha otemenka.
Yeah, sisi ametonka.
Okay, me that's be me person me be who Uncle Ben, but problem na me wono emfa topic ya okasa fa ho no pay. And say me EU ni na time wa me free me EU country no e ba na me koje NI no. Omo bisa me se me wo re. And na me can say because na ma ware but na awade na traditional marriage ya yamfa nko court anko sinsan hwe. Enti no mini marriage certificate bia wawade no ye no ofie na traditional marriage, but awade no egu ye no because say anko court no enti no mini divorce certificate, but me the nipa ni din on bisa nipa ni din date of birth ema me try ema mo de ko tamana meje NI no na ene me hu bi o ha verse me ne ware am say bisa ne say meet me aware or me am cry divorce certificate because I wale no I worry no ye fie de mini certificate bia wo ho.
Yo, Uncle Ben.
Well, I mean, first of all, and na oka so wa roka kire wan ya.
Eno ni ade no. But ote Uncle Ben nka.
But ane.
Obi sa.
Enti wan na oka kire ne se wa ware. Oba krom ha na.
I na me EU na time am koche NI no na nipa no o examine o question me no interview me no ebisa me say me wo yire na me ka say ane because na ma ware but na traditional marriage and ebisa me oba ni din ni date of death na me ka kire no but enya awade na certificate bi ada so
Ohere wonti ase ewo aware ho ye den aware eye den then I want to say
oba ni obema are going to contract say omotna sa aware for
ewo Ghana na che say ifie ebusiafo atena se ana
ebusiafo nkwa na tena se ene ya awade no ya fa nko court ankusan bibia
certificate nka ho a aware ana nya aware
awade
enti ada na woka se certificate nka ho nti ohun se na obe no nti kromo a no pese wuja aware a awose wunya marriage certificate ansa na wodi ajai enti ye Ghana aware no ohwe ye constitution and a case law a aware a ye busu aware anya certificate no na man ya aware enti once wa ware da no awose ugu aware no Ghana nso ugu na ano nso ubehia se ubema almost information no so what na more than 12 months under the Family Law Act of 1986, Section 46(2), no, I was say we go aware no our court. Enti eno so be here marriage certificate. Ti dia wo ye bia no once a wa wareda anya sensan asem once a wa wareda wa ugitum se wa wareda no na wo si ugu no ansa na wetimi aware obi. Why?
Okay, nti Ghana no meeting the court now say me ja awade o mra yini marriage certificate bia no meeting the kogu awade no
Mpacho sa na wo se wo ye.
Okay, that's be
okay.
So yeah that's yes yeah that's we dey advice ma ye mema no ni ye ma ne nso nyina o jai obi a on say sometimes na ebufu bank be no say me dey won sa akoma we busuafo na eno ano no mfi ni biom obehu say such behaviors na be call the way asaba be bounce back to you into no o jai obi a na wafa kwan no so na twese bibia to din. Yo, good morning Pacho obi wa homa ne so ye fra o se na o kase free he.
Pacho from me kase free Coventry. But so what today?
Adumo me hu ye kwe.
Yo. Uncle Ben me show. But so I think I be say you on fa in program no. Me say Abrase. Me ko Ghana and I'm a friend me me Ghana passport you. And a British High Commission was why 72 hours service into on American and British ticket. But me which obey ya mama no do baby no also the 1 year them 72 hours priority one maybe. International ticket so me to me say me ticket na show. Nti me say akonye bi wo ha metumi de akofia na Mr.
Hena ekwaje visa we he.
Me get Ghana visa.
And baby
had it no na me san kuti fie di no.
Okay. Na uvesan e woda won saka visa ansa na ato wo flight and wo ticketing. Nuntum and tot ticketing ansa na wa ma visa. Eyandama na you take a risk because visa you can't visa or nyema ebe asa na obotume esi obotume delay obotum da ma another obo refuse and intina e read the Ghana High Commission website na wa aka there say apply for passport and visa ma won sanka ansa na akwa akoto ticket nti say I visa application na or that can oba and sana to ticketing. Aye.
Mr. High Commission for so I mean one line on call. It's been this only people once between that friend one as well.
Ebe line for uncle.
Oh, one of my friend then on one website, you know. My friend now all my option pa no work out to me. My friend on my option work out to me.
Okay. You know, well, bottom I send one email. Send an email. Make sure that AB or specific number for damn section. Enti say send an email bottom aboa. Aye.
But you. Okay.
Yanso that's the way. Inti di bomoda na ye na ticket na ansho. Oye obenso ahoma na do. Mpacho efrefren wo fraud.
Good morning, madam.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Pacho, Alliance.
Uncle Ben, good morning.
Good morning.
What I am the part of Bwf Solicitors for penny. Our home is become a power. Me Pacho, me person me bisa questions me and the kind Makora be every or science student in or science in education University of Ghana. Just say we nasa akwanya working ono pampe ti mabam so oba kumana obe boye tuma anase obe bana or to education no yetuma kwanya wana ana
what's your science
science in education of University of Ghana
experience here there
or biology in science in education.
Okay, I'm mekasa no. It seems some of the emphasis no call qualification, but emphasis no is on experience. And it will be an question adia kra na or experience or area nim emphasis be a shoemaker, but or experience no ya assess ma edu RQF 3 now ubit me qualify. And it is so a scientist then no person be say a person a scientist the experience no equivalent to the minimum qualification which is the RQ3 now why you jumada
we are in the service not on
and those are the problems no and intina me person me re-emphasize say and your qualification no your experience into when we are university na why a juma be sorry when we are university now or masters Now we need experience, young fans say as a HR manager, we need experience, but why business administration or Ghana, when you masters woman, because we need experience equivalent to the minimum RQ3, wouldn't mean all those qualification,
Okay.
And emphasis on experience, and I need to emphasize that. The American about area, a juma why to we a shoemaker now won't call sixth form, won't call catering, we need NVQ, but to experience, you bet me as a who say, say, Juma na wo ba be wahano. Who was I experiencing that the wo ba be wahano, I level RQF3. Obet me. Example, Monsieur Obi Bubura, but Obi Bubura no, yes, manager, anti publican manager, no. Almost as a level of experience now we hear no, equivalent or above A level. In Tiwako University, Akosia Yemfanse chemistry. But a Juma we no about food. We a chef. Because we chef a Juma now why be a hotel a Juma, why a sous chef, why up to a certain level So level no offer na ya di ama wa no. So who experience not offer now position now no ye above RQF3 now ubetimi aba, and that's what I needed to correct. But my obanya adwuma kakra ansana wetimi aba okopa. But so person ba as a pupil, as a student teacher, either secondary school, primary school. See and a teacher no first and a teacher no your levels. So see,
according to say nursing training in secondary schools and obetimi actually the on.
And that is now, but from January no, any teaching job will be no. So qualification no amodi ama no, up to that level na omuhia wahana utimiba. And it is a first now. See our situation now. We a teacher. I was so either science teacher or maths teacher no. From January, no, it is any teacher, either history teacher, biology teacher, chemistry teacher, PE teacher, social care teacher, any teacher be now both teaching and healthcare, no, almost a question government occupation, and crowns, no, because I government occupation, no, amount extra points are obetimidia was 70 points, no, and it is a obano as a teacher, and be oba betray biano. So was our experience, maybe our child or Ghana as a biology teacher, chemistry teacher, obey media baha. Why?
Okay, Uncle Ben, I'm saying a question to you too. We should be some madam for madam for back or say, or the I say home office for a man or letter near money 2 weeks. Now 2 weeks, a son say no man no because of Corona, na unyanya. Ni already in any way, and more friend no catches or Mugu so more. And this answer be 2 weeks, no man extension, no, like send it if you be option, no money in other way, Basana, case worker or come Ben a bit more. I come back to say, or the no man Bentino will take a decision about it.
Patrick, bisa question ibi, or the why application or by far. Onkwaya biometric sana wokana
na binya biometric ye catch and say ye the question ye the brand say omuhia requirements mi no bi on famra eno ma mi no bi on famra and the normal mi no mo de buy no e san say corona ntin na ohwe na ne nsan kan the time no mo de man 2 weeks no eso ye the eso ye no em say ofre omo and go home office for the friend no can say ogufu mo ye no say sadia on mo de na on catch lawyer ana sinipa or ye the case be say Omo de na onye de o email mo no lawyer the email to you mo wi na ne saka mo manako e de saka no mana a o de akomo mo no me fa se na o twa man o de kwa e basa na o fe how long they be take no ma take decision.
Oh, okay, well, how long as long as a piece of thread. Yeah. Nobody knows for now. Decisions no ba yes, every week be at least about 20 decisions somebody on cards about. Wow. Your backlog from March because of COVID. To be our application will be once wire valid application either under paragraph 30, 31, 32, 33 up to 34 of the immigration rules. So why a valid application kwa there? Ben you worried decision beba. All I can say is or the near man I bisa no kwa. Once you bisa no, which means almost him in junior beba. Why?
Okay. Anyway, me da se ne o duma pa nya mi shira why.
Yes, that's it, Papa. Yes, that's it. Menua ba na menua be ma wo na ma end with 1133. Kafra why? Ya no nya abutresi ya de aman. Pache do so. O kwa e free ne frause.
Me kata full aben.
Bisa wase me yanko why?
All right. But me say all on the buy that me ko for obedi aba ko mo chi that we go for buy no challenge me if you know there's a way I know ya mostly immigration media sama ma cha ko bi ko ana
what's so ko fa oba no buy then na si
na ba na jana ya oba na jana
wadwane agya
but
hey and she upasa we dey
no crack on the part of the show.
Upasa o ma home office hu say oba no oni ni hobio
Opese okofa oba fo front obeye den we yi oba na we dwane agya no no obeye den yi ni din efri ni ho na wetumi akofo oba foforo abeware no.
Hey, na ukofa oba foforo dia na so waware nti wo se uji isa aware anansa untimi ware mi obia waware bia no sa bi wo
eni etie ya obisa ne se untumi enware mi no nti ne oba ye na odwane gya no se ugya no aware ansa na wetumi akofa oba foforo e dia ba. Into why a divorce process nana?
Me yeah, but me yeah, ban consent. Me yeah, ban the account.
Na only obano ganija on how many years in ye?
Cover 7 months in ye.
Uncle Ben, or 7 months.
How many years in ye?
How many years in ye? Pa Pacho unji ye kakra why em so ugina kwan ho noise wo ho pa
I'm sure.
Okay mo worry and how many years ni
2 years after 3 years.
Well, I mean, first of all, Oba a desert I also a desert for 2 years. I thought I went to me desertion. So unreasonable behavior, it doesn't matter. I separation, I had 2 years with consent. I had 5 years separation, I was somewhat separated for 5 years. Adultery, it doesn't matter, time. And so first of all, my things with me, I can say unreasonable behavior. Because when you're away from free, well, I bet me I constitute unreasonable behavior. You need to apply for divorce. Why?
Papa, Pacha, what's your answer then? So na yanko enim papa se wutia ne Uncle Ben kan ye no o ma instances se obani edwane ejawa obetumi afile as unreasonable behavior na wo de aye divorce process no nti se wutia bomode ana se obetumi eti efi radio no so why ye da se yo Uncle Ben ye obinso wa homa ne so mpacho wo na ma end with 2249 no wo na edu so na afede me mfa me text messages no.
Hello Uncle Ben.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning Uncle Ben. Mpacho your friend Daniel. Na ye kan se me nya me ji number o me nipa bi mo ono London o do number one ba me se ade mo hokono office ya hokono na me say. Hello.
Hello. Inti bisa question in term kakrama yen why? Time.
You can say me touch you mo that me do on July 15th. Now me apply for British Army. Me apply in August on the 18th. Now me apply and process my Miami medicals online will be I'm on a date on the 17th of this month. Say meet me back for 2 days assessment. I mean, I'm this 6 months and I'm apply. Be a continue. But you do this 29th November and I'm reapply to Home Office. And our Home Office for say to me and renew visit visa no me but I'm application no me no me to me then still me to me to us why. But me capture army for almost still I was me now visa answer but almost on date for we no assessment day no that is 17th. Me contact Home Office for say me the way emails me letters are army for the army no my friend at Home Office but still on my reply and I mean say without saying something from the Home Office no I'm to me to the process no so mama I'm confused kakra
I'm samena wakasada na
Papa say
samena wakasada ana
Papa I only makasada
ada advice na call square na
baby so you see I'm for no almost me last 2 weeks actually me say without seminar something from Home Office mean to me and that assessment it's almost they've given me 3 weeks it's almost I'm going to be when I go back to starting no it's almost me and I'm not to us one I mean not be 2 days assessment no but me something from Home Office there I mean to me to us
mpacho sesi avisa be na ukra
this will be the visit visa the by 29th of November.
It is a officer na wa kromo a untimi extend o visitors visa. Ameno nso wo visa omomfa. Also visa na wu a wo kwaso tena ha ye bie Ghana border no. Na wo create problem ama wo a nkankasa wo. O best bet ne say wo bejai Home Office asem na ma wo because nya de omde be ma wo. Na wa ko Ghana. Na wa ko apply for army visa no. Na wo de aba. Why?
And your can
first of all, Oba as a visitor, Anamboa. Ana wo visa no ewu. Ana se CIA be Ghana border. Ana me no insist say I just say wo visa and san o mafa. Ana Home Office nso say omo mfa visa no ma wana. It's other than I will toss what ha.
I have a picture to see. I know me see a kind of say. Oh, say, the show we know that 29th. Now, March 29th in the 2 weeks before this, I will not make sure. Say, I'm only money. Now, I'm going to say, or more like the 12 application. So, I'm not sure we don't move this year. But still, the man, I'm come up to now until we show that every. Or declare me say maybe like me illegal ha. And I was illegal, no come back to Ghana, now apply or move farm out. Because why overstay? That was my fear.
And to all cost of our overstay, no, all my case and I papa and I said, or say no more. No, simple, yeah, dialogue. And you can also say, improve your chances, and I will say our chances. Of course. Now, Ghana be any border, and you excuse our Becassa. Between time I'm a visit, we in September, I'm back to Ghana. No, now, you be a Ghana border. No, time I'm in your book. Obi answered him, say, Home Office at the blanket cover Emma Obia from January to July, August, and I'm cover exceptionally outside, and I'm treat a case be on a case by case basis. Yeah, as be the BF no, yeah, realistic lawyers, yeah, creative problems of my clients. And to me, no, because I cried, I'm a driver, I'm a kind and the me catcher or no one I may say repeat, you know. So, what cost what Naha, while Bray be Ghana border no, I mean, so say, I'm on fire, just over visa. What say our chances, you know? China na won ko Ghana na se wo ba akɔgye visa either ame visa or another visitor's visa now they are bar. I know improve chances and I won't say no more improve chances.
I
so what's your Uncle Ben? Yeah, Cecilia overstay. No, you still have a chance to say COVID-19 be cover that overstay. No, so utu anamon Cecilia, but say what in so na fe a quite chair, not just a was mo cranty is half fear no, not taking his any Uncle Ben as explain why, Papa. Why? Yeah, that's it. And see, that's it. Yo, Uncle Ben, me obi was but minka me first message. You see, good morning and good morning, Uncle Ben. See, many thanks for your good work for our community. Please, Uncle Ben, if I understand the recent report of the EU settlement scheme, say that about 61% of Zambrano applications have been refused under settlement scheme. Please, do you think it may be those who apply under say, please, do you think it may be that those who applied under scheme without derivative residence card that count for high rate of refusal, or what you think? Please, can you explain for us the question, Uncle Ben?
Well, now, first of all, yes, no, Chris Zambrano, no, every 10 biano, almost refuse almost 4, almost refuse almost 6, slightly above that, or your percentage now. Now, advice I made him Obia say, for now, no, Obia Zambrano. For settlement, so what Zambrano so tana, from case law, say in your visa na the amount, by the fact say we a parent, we share British child, you can't free her British child, also no free her. First of all, no, mean who the refuses applications, but form no questions not Dawson. And sometimes I am a homete because I know Biano Benyes Kakoloya. And think I was a form, no, a simple, Obia Sabio, Ontimin Koloya, and Konoa, ebitimi, na or the answer questions. But evidence in Ibiwa, I call back 5 years. For example, also about 5 years, I'm up a bank statement for the past 5 years. Evidence of payment of rent. Evidence of payment of utilities. ABR, Ska, what the amount oba. Shoes, Niniama Wato. And this is going back 5 years because what justifies why we are 5 years. I want to create problems, man, Crawford. And the advice I made him be and say, so who person we Zambrano application, gather evidence in bear in mind, say, time now, or show bano. Until say we have visa no krana, ebi krana na wintimi nya adwuma, but now we hwe obano, and how do you be din na adwuma? Enti payment wages na the ma no, and call account nim. How do you justify that? For us as lawyers, no, ade aye na say, you throw background information as a withdraw oma chronology exactly how I want to banatna. So be na abo awatna. Bear in mind, sir, emotional care. Already school, only your homework. Or you let us say free schools, sorry. And it's no. It shows that wash our bano. I don't know creative problems in my community, no. So we bet me now we ska be lawyer hoa. Citizens Advice Bureau. And this idea now we ska be lawyer hoa. Lawyer ho, na lawyer ain't me show. Ain't so person afraid be the BFR. Your telephone number is 0208 493 7340. 0208 493 7340. Now, you have 7 sisters tube station and pair. So if you do send a bar, Ubehu, your office, no, and Sana, when Bongo Bar Junction. So ufi Tottenham neba opa Bongo Bar Junction a building kɛseɛ na esi hɔ na hɔ na ɛwɔ Seven Sisters Tube Station no. Now, I say this because I am worrying say obi yɛ Zambrano ɔkɔgye indefinite leave ɔyɛ adwuma ne yɛ refuse na adwuma yɛ refuse na setena no affect na adwuma yɛ no ana ebi a baabi ɔte no nso no landlord no check no ni asetena ɔno nso betimi aha no enti ɛyɛ good sɛ wobɛyɛ no one touch a wobɛnya o status no immediately a wobɛyɛ no for us no ɛyɛ better that way.
Uncle Ben, that's it. You mpacho odofo a wa homa so ye fra o sen na o frefren ka fra why so we gina so ache koso mpacho temenka. Oh, okay. Yo, hello mpacho sisi a temenka.
Yes, me Tom kana, yeah.
Yo, good morning. O ka se free na ye fra o sen.
Good morning, ye fra me Kofi. Me chow ni me chow man team me chow Kofi.
Yeah, Joseph.
Yeah. My your friend saying IDV app no must submit to my application, but it seems it's taking so long. So what I've done is I'm trying to opt out. Well, I haven't opted out, but I booked for an appointment again. Is that possible, sir? I can do that, please.
Okay, Uncle Ben, so what's in can?
Yeah, but I'm say app no kind no. Obia a person who had the core Home Office had a new app about wow betimi etwa wow photo na e bi kra wa upload documents no aguso app no I so defective sir you know cause problems among for bebre the advice I made mo bia no sir omo the app na ba na wo issue ma omo are very proactive either say by email and answer by telephone call. Omo on the solve why? And say my app na appointment, you know. So my chance book or won't even book. Anything I was on your mokasa and send out person book appointment. Why?
Right. I'm covering my ticket, but this morning I've just booked an I've just booked an appointment again, which they've given it to me.
But you allow my book appointment to our website and so on.
Yes, they've allowed me about half an hour ago.
Okay, until we have paid service for scanning and our scanner on your manoko.
Yeah, my scanning everything. Wait a yom the man on some croydon. My scanning everything has been sent to them.
What yeah, now we are free the enemy.
Yeah, I have to pay £62.
£62, that's the cheapest. 62.90, that's the cheapest. It goes up to about 160, which is for me, you know.
Yeah. But what?
What's it?
Yeah, that's true. But what I'm saying is, your friend saying, is it okay? So what is with them? Now, I haven't cancelled the application that I did on the IDV. But what I'm saying is, once I've, if allow me to book, appointment again, is that possible? That's what I'm trying to say anyway.
Oh yes, so once I allow book appointment, so time so now I had the same case reference, and it will be the same thing. Why?
Oh, okay.
Okay.
It's so frustrating. I just don't get it. Why is it they cannot even get back to your friends? Look, imagine how many. I'm really being a lawyer or that but the important trying to say so many people they've submitted an application. So called forum people tell you say, I mean, thousands of people they haven't got back to them. I think it's also wrong.
I really empathize with Nima and Crawford go through. You devise a plan, and then the tail end of this, I mean, what is going to happen within the next few weeks, and it's going to shock everyone. And that's why I say, with these applications, it seems almost difficult for Ubia. Lawyers.
Okay.
And say, almost target lawyer be say, or a rascal. I'm a law society, my law society, mamu polu website not down. Omo ye video against a lawyer because lawyer no challenge you omo. So me enyi obi nkrofo me no free kromo ha. It seems that Oma ye determined. So on frustrating applications. Meaning exactly the entire yasa. Or share even entry clearance applications EU, especially EU DNO.
Right.
Information are free outside and I say Obi the Nadia Kwani refuse. Or make us one for document we am one for we am. But meanwhile, no, only a more scanning service. I'm a scanning service, you know. One in China, no cast one famba. You know, and I will show everyone at the tail end of this program exactly what we intend to do and which we've started to take Home Office on. And I think that we all have to take them on because my app say and so not just I was so good a book appointment.
Imagine, Uncle Ben, let me tell you something. There's a friend of mine that, you know, meaning your friends in application at the same time. On only the other, he opted out and I'll call a your friend. Okoko born in San Juan. Okoko born in San within a week. You brought everything to him.
Okay. Yeah. Well, for him, if your question has been answered,
anyway, yeah, it's been answered. Yeah, Uncle Ben and man,
I feel your pain.
Thanks.
Why?
Keep out the woodwork.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay. You, Uncle Ben, say me trying to so now in Crawford line, Patro, sorry, my cattle, my main fat way enough. I mean, reading me messages, and I've got a few messages be what how say me kind. Yeah, Patro, well, now my any 2285. No, when I do so now, I feel kind messages, maybe. Your friend send out as a friend. Hello, Patro, now my any 2285. Patro, don't listen to the gadgets. I would say through telephone line. Why?
Yeah, Patro, well, now my any 2285.
Let me try to so now, young queen. Say, oh, Freya, Mr. I know I ready. I'm a make a cry. Why? Yo, when say good morning, 3 questions in one. Main kind in an yanko. Or say good morning, Uncle Ben. Good morning, Manyati. Okay, do you need to send the documents uploaded to the appointment center after the online naturalization for British nationality application for validation? And our second question is, how do you do? Oh, sorry. Can you please give an overview of the online naturalization process to write to the appointment center? So we didn't a whole entire education, Uncle Ben. The question, no.
Well, first of all, I'm saying, idea ever through this and struggle with the appointment system, both here and outside. You know, struggle. And the provision of in-person service biometric, you know. Omo try senka ombeyema obi a omayɛ biometric bia no ombe you free. Sa na bie kwan ma omo no metimi de aye new ones na ne omo a yenye biometric ma omo no. But it seems that it's not working. Into your application, omo kwan ma book appointment sometimes. And this is also creating problems. With nationality, no, obetimi a paper application. We have paper application on be post to appointment na bro. Instead say we be book online. And again, no, and be you free. System delay, no, because system ni na delay. Omo system na ye log online, no, and na delay. Na nationality no nka system na application, online application no nka ya better because you need quicker and presentable. Ama wonye mistake. But we have paper application now, ultimately mistakes. But the resolution about say ube free appointment system is say ube a paper application for nationality. For any system beyond we application now, which you have fee. Once I went to your fee, you know, why your application? So almost be a crime out say appointment or logging into a different website. Now why appointments are available. So appointments in Yanka will say you're free, but you so much charge it from 66.99 to about £160. It's going to get worse because from this month, they call December, because of EU free movement now, it's easy for new arrivals. And a lot of applications. Ebiom omo ntimi ntu kwan because of COVID and because nkrofo I started biom borders and so almost so ebe applications. And yes, you nim say from October IHS no be kosoro. Enti yen advice I dem obi an say so application be will between and a December. Memma October no be to ma wuntua an increase of about £560 thereabout. Obetimi ayo application no because of the delay in the system no. So application be will December now we na there. A save say wuntua extra 500 and something pounds no. But also no because delay was system no. Application yen share till at least a month before it be no. Now, over law now, I see the earliest time I'll be to my application here 28 days. But I say, so person will avoid the October increase now, which is over £500 now. Obey to my application. Now we estimate sir rush to make application between and a December no. A bit creating more backlog in the system. The other problem is more and more application, I'm on filling forms in a year. And I'm providing information, no. And also be delay more application, no. And so I'm when you enter a casa or your application, or the at the very least, no. My lawyer and shemo mau na oma bibia and kotorting emau. Manyeti wo
na me ka na edum ti me koso ye maba yo odofo me mfa wo call na fe me nka messages ne be nka wo na ma ye 9459 o wa homa so ye fra o se na aka se frɛ Bacha ote me nka we gina so ache 9459 na ma etwa wo na ma ne so.
Yeah, hello.
Yes.
Bacha ote me
te o nka kasa.
But from my so I'm a free Birmingham. First of all, Meda Bwf Solicitors for our Adia Modi Ghana community. Nyamisha mo bebre, nyamisha mo pa. Me were questions me no. My first question here, me person me bisa that is concerning those with qualifications. Skilled qualifications our Ghana mo person mo be ejuma wo ha e person me bisa say unless say e bia when your employer wo ha why employ e free Ghana ansa na wo betimi I apply say wo ba be ejuma wo ha no na say so wo kura wo qualification and wo experience wo betimi akọ online na wan kata wa ye wa dia ba. That's my first question. And my second question so ni say me worry EU ni na ya worry for 3 years. Na pese eja ware. But pese me who say if you are ni be traditional marriage ye wo fie registration ni be wo fie. But eja ware no nkwafo ka say we say eja ware no wo marriage cost no I cannot afford it. And you know so me ye e wo fie na say me the application e ba hanuma e genuine e be omo be accept if in future bia no omo ka say me show me divorce certificate omo be accept say because me koye wo fie no and me ye wo fie so what is the correct process what say me faso na me the divorce certificate no me da say.
Okay. Well, I mean, first of all, skilled migrant program never started January next year now. Because it be Kwayama Ghana for no. The emphasis no a relevant experience. And the emphasis on a relevant experience. Now, so relevant experience, I would say equivalent to regulated qualification framework level 3, which is A level and our HND. And Tiwako school now or university degree. Now we need a relevant experience. And our relevant experience, experience which is why you say Jumano, why you bida. When you say Jumani bida now, when you experience it do say level now, it's part of the fact that what PhD wouldn't me Emma. And a qualification in the area. I was say when you a Juma waha. And Sebongo bar per se or de Obiba, Ebi Anipani Juma Ambassador Hotel, and City Hotel, our Ghana. And I say Akwemu Hotel, and I say Volta Hotel. Why you Juma ho ever say 3 years and 4 years and 5 years very likely said relevant experience, because one way the hotel and a big restaurant to Ghana, the relevant experience, say you calculate here, very likely say be above RQF level 3, so our ABB for that could give him a bonus. Adia also here English language B1, I know I was saw a test. Ebiom I was say onya job offer and also ya dia mano. Na relevant experience and income no, so I was say man extra 20 points. Into onya 20, 10, 20 we hear another 20 count. So at 20 usually a income say above the minimum income of 25,600 now. Bear in mind say below the minimum income there is another minimum income by year 26. But I don't know. Ubamu with the 26 now. I was so used to be a friend of tradable points. And the tradable points yet near my miensa. Back home, I have qualification to a PhD. Now income no end do 26 now. Abemao say 20 points Ebiom say a shortage occupation now uni sa income now again sa shortage occupation abemao 20 points and to earn 50 points licensed employer English language and a relevant experience until 20 10 20 but you need extra 20 and your income. So income either say the relevant income a home office actual and I say the minimum income national MAC and I say migration advisory committee say so we were enubia and also my point below that up to 26 now I also use the tradable points either shortage occupation or PhD degree and also about 20 points. The other one person we divorce advice you demand say we say a court process divorce or share section 46(2) of the Family Law Act account about foreign divorces. Obi a watena kromo bia why habitually resident from 12 months and above we divorce either say we no ha and now we are court e Ghana. Now documents ni be brief Ghana but e meet sa requirement and into advice so say obey ya wa ha no. But of course, cost ne boy thing. Court fee inquire 550. So any other extra application, maybe a dim service or to dispense with service. And also bet me the another £50. Like a bejuska. No Ghana, it's far cheaper. But again, I was so sure Sadia a baha ebe meet the minimum requirements under section 42.6. Sorry, section 46(2).
But also what you
also say, oh, yeah, we have no say, our quarter, a back of 500.
550.
550. Oh,
yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Yensu yeda se mame. Yeda yemreko intino. Uncle Ben say agree so no na or say sorry so near ko. Me ya entina do Saturday edwumedie yesan akoto aso wo Bwf Solicitors for omo online Saturday between the hours 4 to 6 4 to 2 hours 4 to 6 nti se we ntumi mbisa wo question but modern reserve na nyame ya adoma Saturday do na wa log on to Bwf Solicitors web no na weti ana wa hwe why yo nti Uncle Ben say wo kasa no na baby I will come about RKF nature say it must be at least you say unya sponsor license na or eka ho enti without that no want to me nya 70 point no
want to me and figure na makwasa I will say obia or sponsor licensed sponsor which means a waje license or home office or no ana wa invite you na wa be ye adwuma
Okay. Yo etie for sisi ano yebeko off the radio no na yem papa siama papa siama penny siama ache yen 5 minutes into no we'll just mema Uncle Ben summarize it, which will be online but radio need the mesre momonti enka into no to me logging on to the you can say Facebook and now YouTube now you continue to listen to us for the next 5 to 10 minutes. Yo Uncle Ben yeda si ina fenso no sika na o ka say o say omu enya no ho no maye mantia se papa sika ne pa no onya dada na o say ye ana say edwuma na o hwehwe no sa edwuma no ni pay rate no na e o say yes
okay enti wo pay rate no I was say 25,600
edwuma na o ba be ye no
yes but okay. Obetimi enya less than that.
Okay.
And you say less than 20,460. Sorry, 480. And into I make for 20,500. No. Tejumana obey no. And he said the minimum pay was a win no. I had 25,600. However, ubetimi less up to 24,80. But so when you're 24,80, I'm out 20 points now we here no. Because we say income no amount points 20. Now they are 15 when you're 70. And so when you're 25,600 now when you're less up to 24,80 now, ubetimi you used to be a friend tradable points. Okay. When you know your points. And tradable points, the amount of tradable points now what they are saw with 24,80 or so. Now I'm out 20 points. No, I say ukra PhD. Okay. PhD say I was say relevant to the occupation. And I say adwuma obey no I shortage occupation. Yenim say nursing I shortage occupation. Yenim say medicine I shortage occupation. Certain aspects of welding I shortage occupation. And so when yes cannot, but when you're 20, minimum be over. Na oma recommended pay be our almost system name a friend of Mark Migration Advisory Committee and you hear almost brochure no more about 146 pages now. Qualification, for example, building works, quality assurance, nail technician, nail technician, but pay now obejeno. The minimum crown here 2480 but when you're 2480 and now less than 25,600 bear in mind say when you're 20 points no not just say PhD and adwuma no a shortage occupation what say when you're the full 70 points 20 from the income now we income no more foul no it has to be a minimum of 25,600 and some amount 20 points no.
Okay, you Uncle Ben yedasi. And that say ubejaye ni bibi pa. Enti no na yemre ni kono. Iti for yeda ubibia se. Uncle Ben pacho ene dem krakra na ubejaye ansa na asori ye na aso akọ.
Well, otia meka say immigration for na started frustrating Nkrofo e wo Ghana. Ya ti bebre say Nkrofo ay applications since March. Omunya appointment ko ho almost because we have application March in April no time na pa honti ya cancel application into kona application for Mr. Mobian take his bait no a bait Mr. Menko ways to seeker ya immigration rules now entry clearance application no are covered by paragraph 28 of the immigration rules. Paragraph 28 no and paragraph 30 I say, we hear entry clearance application na wutua usika na not just a why application. On kase wa bonsa. Enti so omo no omo amfrɛ because of COVID. Enti wentimi anko bonsa. Omo entimi and withdraw application no. Omo try my loyalty. Your client be call omo yes a kyerɛ no. Ya ka kyerɛ no sɛ onyamaye. Enti ya bo first letter echo. A more 14 days. The problem I want to say, nipa na o ka kire ne say ya withdraw application nipa no nya adwuma ma home office or your agent or your private person waje contract say oba abebo nsa na waje documents ti ada na nipa na ka kire say ya withdraw application say home office say withdraw application and I say omo refuse wa omo na wo say omo na communicate ti misra mo bia anko ka say okay mo withdraw na mateme ko your application foforo instead said ya wo ho no omo nya decision. And that is the only way I yebetimi aye sure say home office be dimra no so enya sa obema omo sisi mo mesra mo bia ma omo nsisi omo. And I keep saying sir we need to be very proactive because you say when kasa witiri ho a ye yi bon and for me no aye important say ye ma omo emfa Ghana for so and aye community members no.
Yo, Uncle Ben, yeah, that's it. Yeah, Papa, opinisi amanso beba na odi Friday ekru amani eni amamren so bebremo. Etie for me do bibia si mo a oba Facebook nyina mo share you to me share nyina na questions be flow of Facebook no so but na senior ade na ekọ ye delay kakra enti ye ntumi ankenkan enumu bi enti no yesre se ye free ha nyame ya adoma ochna na ye Saturday na eni echichichi ochna enti all question a ewo makoma so mo pese mo bisa no mesrem wa wo frɛ no memfa biom memfa course biom enti questions ni nyina momboa ano ochna 4 o'clock sharp ebepie ewo Bwf Solicitors for website ne so na online Facebook any YouTube nyina na modisa questions no aba me wo questions wa ha me nso me kwa akobisa wo ho nti no mombo modern na mo follow yen on Bwf Solicitors website tomorrow the community and the law and I said the law and the community both sides nti for me do bibia se yemre aso or say me sorry na yem papa opani esiama enso emfa na dwumadi be ento aso no wa ha no Uncle Ben ye da se bebre nyame ya adoma
ochi ya da wase bebre ana da GN radio so ase
nyame ya
ani info nyina ya da mu nyina ase
bye bye
Solicitors situated in London. Our expertise in family and matrimonial law encompasses divorce, separation, children matters, family breakdown, and financial orders. We focus on all aspects of immigration law. Our areas of expertise extends to visas for individuals and businesses. These include spouses, students, visitors, EU applications, investors, and more. We also undertake appeals and judicial reviews of negative decisions. We hold Law Society Quality Mark in immigration law. Our family law solicitors are dedicated to finding the most effective and pain-free resolution for our clients through the provision of sensitive, effective, and affordable legal advice. We are also Ghanaian law specialists and have advised many local authorities and other solicitors on aspects of Ghanaian law. We have also advised businesses looking to relocate to Ghana. Our senior partner is dual qualified as a barrister at law in Ghana and solicitor to the Superior Court of England and Wales. Client satisfaction is our #1 priority. This shows in the number of positive reviews we have received from our clients. Bwf Solicitors.